So as you guys can see, I had my lunch inside this Mercedes-Benz, and I got a little bit carried away. I have my bread there, I have my sandwich, mayo, and mustard on the interior of this car, and now I need to clean it up. So first things first, what you want to do whenever you get into an interior detail is make sure to remove all large items away from the interior, such as a bag. You might even want to remove these chips right here, so they don't linger everywhere into the cracks and crevices. Anyways, let me start cleaning up this whole entire interior by removing the large items, and then we'll get into the cleaning process right after. Stinks. Now that we got all the large objects out the way, now it's time to just simply get a clean microfiber towel, and we're gently going to wipe the ketchup away from the center console. So like this, we know exactly what we're working with, and then after that, we will get started with our total interior. I don't like ketchup, fun fact guys. It smells disgusting. I'm sorry guys, this just stinks. Alright, I'm good. Bro, it lingers. Oh, alright. Okay, so now that we gently cleaned the ketchup, the mayo, and the mustard away from the center console, now we're actually going to be cleaning it. But I'm going with the cherry scented total interior because this interior, I kid you not, smells like. We're gonna start off by cleaning from top down. I'm gonna leave my trash can right there. I actually threw away that microfiber towel just because it smelled like ketchup. I'm not a fan of ketchup, all right? Even though I eat it, I don't like smelling it. So we'll grab our total interior. We're gonna spray it directly onto our microfiber towel, very gently. Then we will go to the surface of the area we want to be clean, such as the dashboard, and we'll start wiping it down. So right now, I am gently wiping down the dashboard, the wood grain, the plastic, the steering wheel, the cluster, using total interior. Total interior is doing a great job at removing the scent away from the interior. So I clean up the whole entire dashboard, wood grain, stereo, center console. Now I'm actually just missing this little component right here. So now I'm gonna run over, get my 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃, throw that 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 inside these cup holders, pull them out, and like that we move on with the cleaning using total interior and 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃. I went ahead and grabbed my 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃. My 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 is a car cleaning gel. All you need to do is open up the container, you'll pull out your 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃, and you guys can see how flexible it is. So this cleaning gel is a 1 to 2 to 3 time use depending how dirty your car is. On this interior, I still have ketchup in here, so unfortunately I am gonna have to toss this out. Luckily I do have a trash can in there, and I still have crackers, Lay's, who knows what inside there. So you just grab your gel, you can simply gently dump it in there, but I'm actually gonna bounce it in. All right, so I'm bouncing it in, I'm working it in side to side, doing like the shimmy, and I'm about to pull it out, and you guys are gonna see how dirty this 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 comes out. You guys can see how disgusting this actually is. Oh, cracker. You guys can see how sticky this substance is. So what you want to do at this point, flip it over, try to get a clean side, and keep sticking it on the interior, and then we keep moving forward. So the car cleaning gel is not going to replace the cleaner. This car cleaning gel is going to help you get out all these crumbs away from the nooks and crannies. So like this, whenever you pass the cleaner, it's a lot easier to clean. Because imagine if I just spray my total interior into my cup holders, it's gonna be a disaster. So let's keep on using it. Okay, so I just finished cleaning up the whole entire interior, center console, cup holders. Now, next up is I'm gonna get my shop vac and just vacuum up my seat, and then we'll lightly, gently pass total interior, and then we're gonna be repeating the same exact steps in the back. So meanwhile, we're back here. Of course, we still need to touch up the plastic door, so I'll be using VRP. VRP is a water-based dressing. It's fairly simple to use. Simply shake up the bottle, we'll apply 2 dots, and we'll work it in. So let's keep going. And there you guys have it. Just like that, we removed all the stains, all the grime, all the filth away from the interior. We also vacuumed up under the seats. We also took care of the door panel. So everything on the interior looks brand new. And most importantly, we got rid of the foul scent, which was ketchup. So guys, as always, if you guys would like to pick up any of the products I use in today's video, you can find them on chemicalguys.com or drive down to your local detail garage. As always, I'm Henry, and we will see you next time.